How to fix Facebook featured photos not appearing. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Facebook application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now tap on the menu option on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on your name on top of your screen. Here, if you don't see the featured option, then tap on the three dots on the top right of your screen or beside your profile picture. Now, in the profile settings page, you will see the option for turn off professional mode. Tap on that and go ahead and completely disable professional mode if you have enabled the professional mode. And with this, as you can see, I have the featured option. So simply disable the professional mode in order to have featured photos on your profile. So this is how you can fix Facebook featured photos not appearing. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.